So welcome to the adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. So right now, I'm here at my home, of course. Ni ako sa mua. And tonight, ako ang sister Marie. Ako ang ka-churchmate. And Joshua is visiting me tonight. Say hi!
Hi!
Oh, ano siya Marie? Papa
Yes.
siya no? Papa.
Hi,
Si
thank
Joshua
you.
nga ulawon. Busy guys sa mag-print. Tanawa. They're actually busy. They're actually busy right now for their schoolwork. Para asa na, Marie?
Para sa mga practical.
Para sa yung practical. Kano sa rin yung practical?
Ha?
When is your practical?
Depends sa mo kuma.
Oh,
Sa
depends.
mga thesis ba?
Oh, so, thesis. Let me explain.
Okay.
Thesis for them, but it's really a term paper because thesis is a whole book. Tibuok na siya nga libro.
Tibuok na siya.
So, term paper. But it's actually first time that right now that I've heard that a high school students are going to defend their term paper because before when I was in high school, of course, napulo na to kato kupong-kupong minaban. Or do sina to kato tiguang na dayjud ko. I'm old already. So we just got to pass our term paper. And then after that, mana, pus na. No defense to think of. But right now they're busy with printing their term paper. Pareha magkuan? The same group? So they're in different group but they're helping each other because they're classmate mo di. Schoolmate, but since they came from the same church, so that's why they're here. Hapit na ka, mahuman, Marie.
Madalong scalpy pa ko. Dagan pa yung tikuwang ano.
Yeah, tomorrow man yung defense.
Malagi? Malagi ba sa mga buhay pa eh? But, yun na tayo.
Yeah, she said she is still far from the truth from finishing their term paper. Actually, it's a group activity, but you know, when it comes to high school students, there's still those who depend on the people who are more intelligent. Yeah, that still happened until this generation. So even though they are also as well busy with other projects, they don't have a choice but to work on their term paper or else they will not pass and go back.
Yeah.
Mubalik sila o grade 11. Ikaw din, ano nagkaon makagkuan? Nagkaon makag-ice cream. Isa na yung mo, kaon kag-ice cream. And this is my sister, my lovely sister. Yeah, she's working on her project as well. Because, as you know, it's March already and almost end of school year. Yay! Finally!
Yes. Nalagtag makapasal.
Okay, makapasa rin taon mo. Sure mo kung makapasa mo.
Sali.
Gracias, Ginoo.
Yes.
Ay, papabitaw mo ni abot og college. Ang college may mas isod. Oo. Kung ka na iyo ha, wala nakatunga. Libro man ninyong baton.
Sa una na yung ha dati.
Ha?
Sa una na yung ha?
Wala. Ay, gura minipa sa ana. Nya, amo kay kinopya pa jud. Walay among originality among term paper. Basta makakapasa lang mauna.
Basta makapaas lang.
Oo, nya wa pa gyud defense.
May buta niya sa una. Sa?
Hmm.
Menta analysis. Muna-muna yung may kuhan ani.
Pero makarelate ko kay pag college na ako, kay ako raw pong isa nagmaneho sa akong thesis nga kahilak-hila ko kaayo.
Pero,
Supposedly we're 3 in the group and unfortunately the other one got pregnant and stopped at school. And the second one is still irregular third year student. And since I was the only one graduating, so I'm the one who pushes and who does most of the work, because of course, they don't care if the thesis book finished on time or not. Yeah. So I got almost being depressed because a book is not that easy to work on, especially that I don't have my own computer, and like the rest of the groups that I have with before. I mean, the other groups, they have their computers, they have their own printers, and me, I only rely on internet shop, and it costs really a lot for just their time. Sa una, tag 20 pesos pa itong kada oras niya. Ikaw kung yung mag-spend og pila ka oras sa internet shop niya,
Usahay lagi ka ng, kung ano ko skulahan mo, at sa staffet, tag alas 12 na po ma-apos balay. Hindi pa po ba?
Lagi?
Pagmamagpiya. Pwede kayo mas ka ng kuwan ng good.
Nya daghan pa kang revisions nga buhaton.
Kaya, ang nakakuha lang yung kay computer.
Maghilak lagi kayo kay computer, may galing yung mga bata. My siblings are actually blessed because I have my laptop. And there is also a computer in the church which they can use, because I know how it feels to not have anything that you can use when you are going to do something which is really needed. Okay na ba?
Sunod na na eh. Sunod na na eh.
And my sister is helping them.
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you say about Tide? That's your statement. Tide is...
It's a joke.
Pangutanan ko na. Pangutanan na ako siya. Basta tayo. It's a joke. Joke. So, na sila busy kayo sa schoolwork.
Saan swak?
But actually, it's a good thing that they're starting to be responsible when it comes to schoolwork at their early age.
Gaon?
Because they're starting to be a responsible person as well. And these three are actually top of the class. Right?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Hindi sila mo
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, they're top of the class. But it makes sense why. They work for it. Ilan ang gitrabaho ang ilang na-earn. Wala na nila gikopi. Di pa agi kinopyaan.
Order. Survive.
Yeah, and they survived. Ni-survive ka, Joshua? Kilak na rabanis Joshua akong manghod. Ninako! Ninako, umanayon. Hindi ko kayo bang sa ng term paper. Nyagay tayo nga ako na yung, sige, tabangan na lang, tika. Hilak na siya ayaw nila po. Pailayo. Hilak, hindi ko kayo mausap term paper niya. Ako mga kaubay ni tabang.
Hila kayo gawang.
Hilak siya. Ba na siya na-iswilag. Isa ka adlaw. Doon. Oh yeah, I can relate to that. So this is a short update of what is happening around the globe. So I wanna say good night for now and see you next time. Bye bye, Giselle, Marie.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, Joshua.
Yes.
Wapo ba ya? Bye bye.
Yung saan mo magbutang sa?
See you next time and God bless everyone.